Politics.
Poverty. Reservations.
Political system.
Bureaucracy.
Facing like infrastructure.
Lot of corruption.
मैं देश से खुश हूँ.
Roads are bad. Government is not taking any care.
एकदम मस्त चल रहा है सब कुछ.
पैसा तो गवर्नमेंट तो डिक्लेयर करती है रोड का, लोग टेंडर देते, टेंडर लेते, फिर भी एक थर ऊपर से डाल देते, इस एक बारिश में वो चला जाता है.
ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा है और रोड कम पड़ रहे हैं, उसमें बहुत गड्ढे हैं.
अभी रोड वालों को भाई पूछा है, आपने किया, वापस बनाओ पिना, वो बोलते हैं अभी इसका टेंडर खत्म हो गया, पैसा खत्म हो गया. तो ऊपर से वापस गवर्नमेंट पैसा बनाएगी, तो ऊपर 10,000 50,000 का टेंडर हुआ तो वहाँ पे 40,000 आता है, उसके बाद 30,000, नीचे नीचे आने तक 10,000 तक आता है. तो बोलता है 10,000 में मेरा काम है, उतना मैं करके जा रहा हूँ.
The government should take a serious steps to improve the roads and the poverty.
सरकार अभी आता है कितना जाता है कितना, मैं सरकार से थक गया हूँ.
गवर्नमेंट तो खाती है पैसा, पैसा कोई नहीं खाता, पैसा तो सब लोग खाते हैं. पैसा तो खाना नहीं चाहिए. जो रोजगार जो सुधरने के लिए पैसा देता है वो सुधरना करना चाहिए, ऐसा पैसा किसी नहीं खाना चाहिए. ज़्यादा सुधरना होना चाहिए अपने इंडिया में.
यहाँ थोड़ा तकलीफ है, रास्ते का तकलीफ है, पानी का तकलीफ है, लाइट का तकलीफ है, धुएं का तकलीफ है, गर्दी बहुत होता है, इसके लिए आपने को थोड़ा तकलीफ होता है.
Politicians, they made a massacre of all the entire budgetary. So my opinion would be that the government should be a little more careful. If they are allotting a budget, they should take care that this budget reaches the right hand, the right contractors, and care should be taken that the work is completed.
Anybody ask me, अक्कल बड़ी भैंस ऐसे भैंस बड़ी है. Reason? The reason 100 crore is the population of India, means is equal to 100 crore brains. Fine. 2 crore, I am giving an example. 2 crore population of Japan is equal to 2 crore is the brain. Look at the technology where these guys are. Where are they? Hero Honda, Kawasaki Bajaj, Maruti Suzuki. So Honda, Kawasaki and Suzuki. That is technology, that is brains.
मेरे दिल में तो क्या है, अभी जो चलता है दुनिया में वो चलती रहती है बस. हर एक आदमी ऐसा ही बोलते रहता है. आज मैं कितना 50 साल से मैं यही देखते आ रहा है. हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, पानी लाएंगे, मकान बनाएंगे, कुछ नहीं फायदा. जो भी करेंगे अपने अपने दिल के वास्ते बस.
It's not that we're not proud of what India is doing, but obviously all this does matter, because somewhere in the process of development we have to reduce the inequalities, we have to be able to provide it for all, not a high standard. And I think this has come about mainly because of the misplaced priorities to some extent, or the lack of implementation, the lack of willpower. And I really honestly feel that for some time at least, I don't think can last out with such a easy and kind of a democratic government. It should be a little more stronger, where you could really have to impose certain punishments to bring about actually some action, because all these years otherwise it doesn't seem to be working.
मुझे नहीं कुछ मालूम, ये हमारा सब्जी का कुछ बोलो क्या?
Bureaucracy is merely a puppet in the hands of the government. Whatever the government of India decides, they have to do it. So they take orders from the government of India and implement them. So they are not to be blamed. It is all in the hands of the Indian government.
गरीब के लिए नौकरी दिलाना मांगता है, उनका मकान का सोई करना मांगता है, पढ़ने के लिए बच्चा लोग का कोई तरीका करना मांगता है.
Please leave aside the bureaucracy. Just get down to the work which is happening, and country is growing at a very good rate at the moment, and if they leave the bureaucracy behind, it can go much faster and much better.
घर में बिजली तो नहीं है, बाहर से लेना पड़ता है. पानी भी बाहर रोड पर नल लगे हुए हैं, वहाँ से लेना पड़ता है.
The thing that's affecting doctors the most is the reservations, and every time they hold up a strike and then they are asked to hold it back and all that. So I think the reservation should be like, maybe like 50 years back, when the reservations were important, the backward classes were not given importance, they were not given privileges. That time it was right, but now I think no.
As far as the political system of the country is concerned, I feel the ministers are really very corrupt. They have a lot of resources, but that never gets utilized, as a result of which India is still considered as one of the backward nations. It has a lot of resources, it has some of the best manpower skills that any country can only hope to have, but still that is not being utilized in the most efficient manner, mainly because of corruption, red tapeism, bureaucracy. That needs to be rectified immediately if India wants itself to be a superpower one day, like US, like China,
I think that everybody should be involved in the process of, like bringing India higher up. Like chand businessmen, chand IAS officer के हाथ में India देके अब चलेगा नहीं. Now you, me, the young generation have to look into it.
Elsewise, we need to have good policies from the government and more educated people coming in the politician side.
What do you think about India? What do you think about the politicians? Where do you think the country is going?
Up to graduation you can give them reservation and all, but later on if he is having ability, if he is having that much merits, then he can survive anywhere in India also, he can go abroad also, anywhere, and there should not be any compromise about the merits, because you are going to handle with the live conditions, not the machineries and all, because now the recent issue is in the medical colleges, the AIIMS and all. In the post graduation it should not be like that.
अभी सरकार भी आएगा तो वो क्या बोलेगा इतना कि हम तुम्हारा अच्छा करेंगे, क्या बुरा करेंगे, ये तो नहीं बोल सकता बुरा करेगा, पर अच्छा करेंगे बोलेगा, इसके आगे
सरकार जो बोलते वो नहीं देते.
That's another concern, like anything which should be distributed to the poverty, to the poor people. It's been the people in a high authority, they just taken all the opportunity, so the money which is supposed to go to the to the poor people, it just get lost on the way.
We talk about India is shining, but what level India is shining? Where it's shining? When you see on the roads, where it's shining? The point is, who should come into the politics? Where are the IITians and these guys from management? They don't stay in India, they go abroad. Give them a chance to get into politics. They will improve the society.
Bureaucracy, is being ruled by the politicians. They are the people who get in between people and the politics. And the first person to be caught would be a civilian, then a bureaucrat, and never a politician.
सरकार से 3 चीज़ में मेरे पढ़ाई के लिए अच्छा करने के लिए. अभी मेरे घर में जो सरकार के मैं स्कूल में किसी सरकार को स्कूल में कभी तनख्वाह को कभी मेरे को निकाल ना दे, ऐसा मेरी इच्छा है. रहने के लिए खाने के लिए पैसा उतना चाहिए.
I think they should stop filling their own pockets and work for India rather.
Government should take a serious steps into roads and the
टेंडर देते फिर भी ऊपर से डाल देते, बारिश में वो चला जाता है.
The government should take a little more care, provide better medication to all the hospitals.
Now you, young generation, have to not given importance. They were not given privileges. That time it was right, but now I think.